Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Reddit's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Reddit account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Reddit login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. Log into your account if you are not logged in and the home page of Reddit will appear on the screen. Click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the settings option and tap on it. Click on account settings. Scroll all the way down and click on delete account. On the next page, enter a reason why are you leaving for Reddit, your username and password associated with your Reddit's account. Click on the box that says that you understand the deleted account are not recoverable and tap on delete. Confirm deletion of your account by clicking on delete once again. This is how you can delete your Reddit account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.